Day 2 on site. So much has happened. Look at that. Video wall is almost up. But there's always complication at these job sites. Of course, it came in. We were moving this from another location. But brackets are missing. They're figuring it out. Ordered in a new... And this is where process is king. We knew part numbers. We knew what was there. We were able to recover, reach out to our manufacturer, one of our distributors, and we will have it here today. This wall will be done. Golf simulator going in quick. And as all things, it's always complicated. Nothing easy about any of this stuff. Trekman. Carpet is in, figuring it out. We're gonna get some additional framing to hold more of the screen and all that. This, again, Trackman is working with us. They sent us the original plans and we're making it work for the setup. Here's where it's always like this. So when they were building this, they cut all of that. Those were trader desks that were supposed to go right here, big desk, 6 computers. They cut all the cables. The boys are fixing the wires, get that, rewiring it back to the new rack location. As you see, it keeps getting complicated. We are finding the projector location, gotta add wiring for it, and electrical, always fun. And you know, Big Boss is gonna need his computer set up in his office, and then we'll have a podcast studio in this room. This is gonna be cool. Have cameras, all that cool stuff. The fixings going in there. Another cool little spot. And we are using Zenti. Our buddies over at Zenti helping us out. They gave us for the video switcher, and the matrix and everything for the video wall. Get that built out. Conference room. We got a new Hudley camera going over. Reusing the existing keyboard and mouse. Get this conference room up and running for the customer. And again, trying to reuse some of the stuff, not overthink it, and not reinvent their wheel. Try to save them a couple of dollars. They had a network switch, a Ubiquiti. We do have a Netgear, but as you probably know, that Netgear is loud. So we're gonna switch them over to Ubiquiti, get them a Dream Machine, and we found that they had some pre-existing Ubiquiti APs installed, and the landlord said, whatever's in the space, you guys can have it, you can reuse it, previous tenant. So we'll take over that. And again, it's being fluid, understanding the project, and being a steward for the customer. I'm not here to spend their money. I'm here to save them, giving them an amazing job, and upgrade the things that are meaningful as they want. We got a bunch of Sonos speakers that they had. We'll use that as some audio in the space. And of course, if they want to upgrade, we can add some speakers easily. But again, we don't need to overthink it. Let's walk in. Let's upgrade the things that are meaningful. Let's get the job done. Get us on to the next phase. So, right PMing, you show up. You just don't believe. You delegate but verify. You know, I love those words. We show up, we show out, we make it work. Catch you at the next one.